What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we are going to dive into the best softwares that beginners can use to get their first $1,000 in sales with Amazon FBA. This software has tons of different features that you can use to find profitable products to sell on Amazon. And I'm gonna dive into my favorites so you can use them to find more profitable products for your Amazon store this 2025. Now let's get into the video so you can see exactly how this software can make you a bag in 2025. And as always, if you got value, hit that subscribe button.
So Nepeto recently launched Nepeto 3.0, and they added a bunch of new features, and some of them are really powerful. Now, Nepeto overall on this software has a lot of different features that you can use, but in this video, I'm going to give you my favorites and the ones that I would recommend you using because it can get overwhelming, seeing all these different methods, and I really would focus on narrowing down on 2 to 3 or 4 of your favorite ones I'm about to show you. First one I'm going to get into is the more traditional way to use Nepeto. So if you click the Retail OA at the top, it's going to load up a search through different websites, and it's going to basically scrape them to find you profitable deals. So you can see right here, this scraped one from Walmart, and you can sell it on Amazon for 41, and you can buy it for 17. So you can see your ROI right here. But here's the kicker. This is where you can scrape together extra margin on your products, and you want to make sure you're doing it with this software. You can use discounted gift cards here. You can also use Rakuten to get coupons, Be Frugal for cash back, and you can use some other ones outside of Nepeto like Capital One Shopping, Retail Me Not, Coupon Cabin. Those are a couple really good ones that you can get coupon codes on, and that will help lower your buy cost. So you can see Nepeto walks through and it tells you all the specific deals that are here on different websites. And you can actually hit this thing here, which will give you more data. You can see the buy box statistics. You can see the sellers on the listing. You can then storefront scan these sellers. You can also see the Keepa graph, the offer count. So you can see a lot of different data that will help you make a good decision. And then these two things are important as well. You can check if other suppliers have this product profitably, and you click Nepeto. It's going to load up and see if this product was profitable anywhere else other than Walmart. You can also check if you're gated with the touch of a button, and you can hide this deal from other people. They have hide credits, which is a really cool feature as well. Another cool feature that Nepeto offers is you can actually filter this search by suppliers. So this will give you access to hundreds of suppliers that you can use for your online arbitrage store. And this will put you on to different websites you probably never even heard of. So let's say we wanted to filter down by a specific website. Here's a really cool tactic that you can do. So let's say we click Famous Four. Maybe they're running a 15 or 20% off sale that given week. So what you can actually do is click this More Filters button, click the coupon button, and let's say they have a 15% off sale. It's going to show you what that price would be after your 15% off coupon. So now you can look through the different deals, and you can see this website is mainly like Nikes and like different apparel products. But from there, you can start to source it and try to get it profitable. Of course, look at the Keepa chart, make sure it's stable when you go ahead and order it. To note, there's other filters up here like ROI, BSR, the amount of offers, if you're gated or not as well. Filter down through the website and get better offers essentially. That is the first powerful tool of Nepeto. Now, one of my other favorite ones is the live search. So if you click this live search button, you can actually copy and paste a URL of a specific store and it will live source that store right in front of you. Let's say we go to Kohl's.com. Looks like they have a friends and family sale, which gets you 25% off. So what you can do is click on this sale and actually copy and paste this link. Now, this is a lot of products, so you could also narrow it down if you want. If you want to focus on specifically home goods, you can do that as well. You can click home goods. It gets you down to 80,000. You can also narrow it down by brands or anything that you want to do. But let's say you want to just do kitchen and dining. So now it will narrow down to about 7,000 products. So this is the catalog for kitchen and dining that is on sale right now. We can copy and paste this URL and put it into Nepeto. Scan this entire URL, and we'll go back to this towards the end of the video to see what it found. You can also click the list here of the supported suppliers as well. So one of the other cool features of Nepeto is the storefront scanner. So how you can use this is you can go to the Retail OA, and then let's say you find a product from this search. You can take a seller from the product and then scan their storefront for other products. For example, we're going to open up this part, and let's say we find a seller like this one. They have 468 ratings. They could be doing online arbitrage. They're like a lower review count seller. we can actually scan this seller's ID, and then quickly it's going to load up all of their products. And then the scan may take up to 3 minutes, but you'll see their actual products come up here. As you can see, it's going to tell you the profit, where you can find it. And that's another great way to find more products for your store. You can do this with up to 30 stores a day. Now on to one of my favorite features with Nepeto is the Nepeto Master Search. You can use the Keep a Product Finder in tandem with this to find more deals. Now I loaded up a sample search here. I'm doing specifically Nike products in this search. I loaded up 5,000 products, and you can see I'm looking for like a lower offer count. I'm looking for Nike as the brand on this, and I'm looking for under 50,000 sales rank. So I can click Find Products. And then from here, I want to change the rows to 5,000. And then after I've done that, once it loads, I want to hit the export button. Once you hit that export button, you're going to make sure you click only ASINs and then CSV. And then it's going to export into a CSV file. And then from there, you're going to go back to the Nepeto Master Search. And you're going to go to your downloads, and it's going to go right here. And then you'll be able to upload it from there. It's going to take about 2 minutes. So while we do that, let's go back to the Nepeto Live Search. So we can see it found 114 total supplier deals already. So we can filter through these different deals. Now, some of them might not necessarily have the ROI. So what you're going to want to do is if you want to set a certain ROI, let's say we want a minimum of 20%, you can also filter these deals out. So that way you can really focus on the profitable products. So you can see it looks like a lot of the Magic Bullets, the Keurigs, those type of products look like they're on sale right now, or Pyrexes. So this could be a great opportunity to get some kitchenware for your Amazon store. Back to the Nepeto Master Search. So you can see that it found us a lot of different profitable products from Kohl's specifically, and there might be some other suppliers mixed in there, but it looks like Kohl's is doing some kind of big Nike sale right now. We have Macy's as well in the mix. There's Academy, WSS, Champ Sports. So there's a mix of Snipes in here as well. There's a mix of a lot of different stores that you can, find profitable Nike stuff from. So this is a great example of how you can filter down from the Keep a Product Finder and get a ton of different profitable deals rather quickly. Other features can definitely be great to try out, but one of the things I do want to point out is be careful with any Telegram or liquidation suppliers. Is it's hard to prove the authenticity or the supply chain of these suppliers. So if you are looking to do wholesale on Nepeto, make sure you vet these suppliers and ask if they're buying directly from the brand. Other than that, definitely try out these different features and let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. But Nepeto is an amazing way for beginners to identify new products that they can sell, new websites that they can sell from, and it's one of my favorite softwares for beginners. So as always, if you got value, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.